Holiday cooking chaos? Not anymore. Discover Amazon's smartest kitchen products that will save you time, reduce stress, and simplify your holiday prep. Stay tuned. You won't want to miss these game-changing tools. All links below. Opening wine just got effortless with this electric wine opener. With its large capacity battery, you can open up to 100 bottles on a single charge, perfect for family gatherings or big parties. Simply press a button, and the cork pops out in 5 seconds, making it ideal for everyone. Plus, the elegant all-in-one set includes a foil cutter, aerator, and vacuum stoppers to enhance flavor and preserve freshness for up to 7 days. Say goodbye to tedious prep with this electric cheese grater. Powered by a robust 250-watt motor, it slices, shreds, and grates your favorite ingredients in seconds. Perfect for cheese, veggies, and even breadcrumbs. With 5 interchangeable stainless steel blades, you can achieve everything from fine shreds to thick slices effortlessly, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Plus, cleanup is a breeze. Just wipe the base and rinse the detachable parts for stress-free maintenance. Upgrade your kitchen with 15-piece Damascus knife set. Featuring razor-sharp blades crafted from premium Damascus steel, this set offers precision cutting for every task, from slicing meats to fine chopping veggies. The ergonomic ABS handles ensure a comfortable grip, while the unique disconnect-type knife block provides easy storage and a sleek countertop display. Whether you're a home cook or a pro chef, this set combines performance, style, and convenience to elevate your cooking game. Struggling with stubborn jars? This under-cabinet jar opener makes opening factory-locked or vacuum-sealed lids effortless, even with one hand. Perfect for seniors or those with arthritis, its non-slip grip securely handles any lid size with minimal effort. Plus, its under-cabinet mount saves valuable counter space and stays within reach, an essential kitchen hack for hassle-free jar opening. Craving frozen drinks without the hassle of ice? The Ninja Drink and Slushie machine uses innovative rapid chill technology to evenly freeze your favorite liquids, from coffee to wine, for smooth, flavorful treats. With 5 preset programs and customizable texture controls, you can create perfect icy drinks in just 15 to 60 minutes, and they stay frozen for up to 12 hours. Whether it's a party or a quiet night in, this machine is your ultimate frozen drink companion. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops with these round adhesive push towel hooks. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or garages, they securely hold dish towels with a simple push and release. Easy to install with 2 options, adhesive backing or screws. They keep towels within reach and your space effortlessly organized. Compact and versatile, these hooks are a must-have for every home. Move hot dishes with confidence using this 2-pack hot plate gripper clips. Designed to lift up to 5 pounds with ease, these tongs securely grip hot plates, bowls, and bakeware straight from your Instant Pot, air fryer, or oven. Crafted with durable stainless steel and anti-skid ABS handles, they offer a safe, slip-free grip with silicone pads to protect your cookware. A must-have kitchen tool for hassle-free and safe cooking. Keep your meals warm and delicious with this electric warming tray. With 8 adjustable temperature levels ranging from 104 degrees Fahrenheit to 230 degrees Fahrenheit, it heats up evenly in just 5 seconds, keeping your food warm for up to 4 hours. Designed for safety, it features a child-safe lock, auto shut-off, compact, easy to clean, and versatile. It's perfect for family gatherings, holiday parties, or even thawing food, making every meal a warm and memorable moment. Measure with precision and style using this digital kitchen scale with stainless steel mixing bowl. With a high sensitivity sensor and 5-unit options, it provides accurate measurements up to 11 pounds, perfect for any recipe. The large, multi-purpose stainless steel bowl features a quick tare function for seamless weighing, while the sleek, durable design, water resistance, ensures long-lasting performance. Whether you're baking, cooking, or portioning, this scale is your ultimate kitchen companion. Save space and stay organized with this nesting bowl set. It includes 2 mixing bowls, a colander, a fine mesh sifter, and 4 measuring cups, all stackable for compact storage. The non-slip base on the large bowl keeps it steady, while the smaller bowl doubles as a measuring cup with built-in measurements. Made from durable, BPA-free polypropylene, this dishwasher-safe set is perfect for all your prep and baking needs.